Greetings, Canterbury Photographic Society members. This video will help you to update your gallery. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Canterbury Photographic Society website that you would normally go to, and you're going to click into that address bar, and at the end of the address you're going to type in /WP-admin, enter. And that's going to take you to the login page, which allows you login to the back end of the website. So with the username and password that I have supplied you with, you will log in, and this is what you're going to see on the back end once you log in. Now don't let that overwhelm you, it can be a bit scary, but what you need to do is go over here to pages and click on all pages, and you'll see that you will just have your own page listed over here. So you'll then click on that page, and we will load the Divi Builder. Now the Divi is the theme that I've used to create the website. What you can see it here in the back end, but it's much more complicated to use from the back end. So we are going to learn how to use it on the front end. So you click on Build on the front end, and that's now going to take you into the front end of the website that you would normally see. But at the top here now you'll see there's a black editing bar, and when we scroll down into these areas you'll see that these are now editable boxes. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to edit your name. So you click the little settings icon there, and you can see that that says name surname. It says name surname there. So you're going to pop your name in. Obviously for the purposes of this I'll just be doing it as if it's my own. You can see that as I type that in there, it's changing it up there. In order to save it, we need to click that little tick box, and then we need to save the page. We've saved the change to that module, but we need to save the change to the page as well. So you push the Control S button, and you'll see that that brings up a little box over here, which should stay there now once we've done Control S for the first time. And as we go along, you should be saving that or clicking Control S as much as possible, because if something happens and you haven't done that regularly, you might lose everything that you've popped into there. Right, so having changed the name at the top, you then want to look at changing your image over here, the picture of you, about yourself, a little bit of information goes there, and then you'll be going down to your own gallery, and I'll be showing you how simple it is to update and change these pictures. So again, like we did above, this little grey box with the settings icon in it, you click on there, and now we'll just move that. I'm left clicking and dragging that over so that it's not covering the area that we're working on. But if we look over here, you'll see that information there is contained here. So if we change this, that's going to change. So I'm going to just highlight all of that and delete it, and you'll see it's gone over there now. And I'm going to add some information here just for the sake of it. This is the new info, and as you can see, it's changing the information over there. Right, again, once you've completed that information, click that, and let's click the save button to make sure that it's saved in real time to the server and is projecting that onto the front end of the website to anybody looking at it. Now we're going to change Lynn's face here to your own. So again, clicking on the module settings, this module is an image. You can see it's in there. We want to delete what's there currently, and we're going to add an image. We're going to need to find the image on your own computer and upload it so that we can use it. So we go select files, and if you go and have a look at somewhere on your website that has a picture, let's just choose anyone, and now you can see that that is the selected picture, it's got the little tick, and you upload that image, and you can see now, once we click that tick, that that has now replaced what the previous image was. Again, we need to save in order for it to stay as it is. Right, now again, scrolling down to your personal gallery works very much the same. We want to look at the little grey box because that gives you the module settings. We're going to click on the little icon, and now we're going to see all of these. Now obviously these are just from multiple members on the website, so you're going to want to delete each of them individually. So you just click onto them and just click the little trash can option here, and you'll see that they've now gone from there. As we've done that, the only ones remaining is that. If we want to add more, we just click and we go and upload the files we want in the same way. Come back to the media library, select them by clicking on them and getting the little tick, and then click the select button, and those images will then upload into your gallery. So now if we save that, you can see in this one there's only 6. The gallery will display up to 8. If you put more, it will create a little page icon at the bottom here, so do feel free to put more up. And remember please to save your images to 72 dpi for use on the website, and potentially not in any sort of raw format because it's going to take ages to load. So once we've saved that, we can now see that if we exit the Visual Builder, which shows us what the page looks like on the front end, we can now see that those changes have been made. So just check that out as well. Hopefully that is simple enough for people to grasp, and I look forward to seeing more of your pictures on here. Great, thank you.